What does an airplane and a golf ball have in common?
Well, they both definitely travel through the air and apply fluid dynamics, but more specifically, they utilize the boundary layer theorem. The theorem states there is a layer created at the surface of an object traveling in a fluid where the velocity of the fluid increases from 0 to the mainstream velocity. This is because even the smoothest object surface has friction. This friction causes the particles of the fluid flowing over to cling to the surface and take on the object's velocity. The particles in the layer above the static layer collide with the still particles and lose some of their velocity. This effect continues until a layer of particle reaches 99% of the mainstream velocity. The region of these layers is called the boundary layer as a whole. The boundary layer's thickness continuously increases over the object, and this is because the flowing particles lose their momentum according to their cohesion, which is dependent on their kinetic energy or velocity. However, the layer's thickness can still be calculated for a particular point on the surface by using the Reynolds number, which is a value that determines if the layer is laminar or turbulent. Back to our example, in airplanes, the boundary layer is kept as laminar for as long as possible, because the turbulent layer will significantly increase the skin friction drag and alter the effective shape of the airfoil. And because the further the boundary layer extends from the leading edge, the higher the chance of the laminar flow transitioning to a turbulent one, the shape of the airfoil is carefully designed. In contrast to airplanes, golf balls induce turbulent flow. The dimples of the ball force the boundary layer to become turbulent, which allows it to mix with the mainstream fluid, allowing the layer to retain kinetic energy longer. This furthers the separation point and reduces the weight, which reduces the pressure drag and allows the ball to fly up to 2 times further.
Would this be an impact on flight time? The boundary layer theorem is one of the most essential concepts in all of fluid dynamics.